Helicopters protect and save lives. The top priority in aviation and aerospace is reliability. Only highly precise production processes can achieve this, supported by metrology solutions from ZEISS.
With ZEISS machinery, we can guarantee the absolute reliability of our products.
Poggipolini in Bologna specializes in developing and manufacturing structural high-tech connection elements and mounting systems for aerospace and motorsports. It makes components for helicopters, airplanes, and drones. The company was founded in 1950 by Callisto Poggipolini. Today, it is managed by his son Stefano, his wife Rosanna, and their son Michele.
The key to our success is our high degree of reliability, which is due to significant investments in research and our partnership with ZEISS.
The company uses several ZEISS coordinate measuring machines.
The ZEISS brand stands for excellence in 3D measurement technology. The measurement results must be reliable for us to produce perfect parts.
Before it is further processed, this unmachined part of a nut-bearing lock for a helicopter transmission will first be tested for dimensional accuracy on the ZEISS Prismo.
I'm measuring the size and cylindricity of the diameter and the flatness and perpendicularity of the plane in relation to the diameter. Thanks to the graphical analysis delivered by the Calypso software and the ability to scan measurements, I can see potential deformations of the semi-finished part.
The piece has the right form and can be processed further. During production, minimal deviations in the form and size of the components can occur. That's why this finished drone encasing must be measured very precisely, according to the customer's CAD requirements. This is done on the highly accurate ZEISS Prismo Ultra.
The Prismo Ultra enables me to measure with maximum accuracy. Thanks to the Navigator technology, I can measure at a high speed and with the necessary precision. This Ultra gives us the competitive edge because it is the biggest and only one in Italy with these dimensions.
The size of the ZEISS Prismo Ultra provides an additional advantage. This armored protection for the rear rotor of a helicopter is being measured on the Prismo Ultra, but not on its own.
The working area on this Prismo Ultra is so big that I can place multiple aviation parts and run automated measurement cycles.
But tactile measurement cannot depict the engraving of this lock nut for a helicopter transmission. That's why it is measured optically on this multi-sensor measurement device, the O-Inspect from ZEISS.
With the O-Inspect, I can scan and measure optically using a series of top-class ZEISS lenses. The O-Inspect offers a large field of vision and high image sharpness.
Thanks to the ZEISS machines, we can fulfill the demanding requirements of our aerospace customers.
This guarantees maximum quality and reliability in the production of aviation and aerospace parts.